G'day guys, so today I'm going to be running you through our TAG Extreme Recovery XR tow bar that we have fitted to the DMAX. So Em and I built this vehicle to travel around Australia in. We're already partway through a lap around the country and we wanted to have a high quality, safe solution to be able to do rear recoveries and also tow where we needed to as well. So we wanted to be able to visit all of those epic 4x4 spots in the country, to be able to do Cape York and the Telly track. We wanted to be able to do beach driving, visit the national parks, see all of those top spots and know that we had a good recovery solution in hand. So I'm going to run you through a few of the features and benefits of the TAG Extreme Recovery XR bar and some of the things that we really like about it. All right, so first up, it's just a good looking bar. That was probably the first thing that really struck us about it before we even got into the functionality of it. We wanted something that was going to sit nice and flush with a great departure angle because of all the off-roading that we were going to be doing. So this bar has a nice flush chassis mounted profile. It sits nice and high, giving us plenty of departure angle, absolutely maximizing that for us. I remember us doing the old Telly track up at Cape York and the departure angle on this was really, really good. We didn't have any issues there. So it's got extreme duty powder coating in the black, which just so happens to match our canopy powder coat really nicely. And we think it sits really, really well between the sensors on each side. It looks really good. So as far as the recovery functionality is concerned, you've got a recovery point built into the bar on each side. Each one of those is rated to 4,500 kilos. So that gives you plenty of room to play with for most vehicle recoveries that you'd ever need to do. Also has beveled edges so that you can use soft shackles with these. So much lighter, much safer, just by far a better option if you can use a bar where you can use soft shackles. The beveling stops the edges here cutting into the soft shackles and damaging them. Now we've taken out the tow hitch and replaced it with one of TAG's solid steel recovery hitches, just so that we do have a third choice for recoveries there as well if we ever did need it. But the bar does come with an extreme duty drop hitch and a zinc tow ball as well. So that's all included with the bar if you are going to be towing. One of the things that we considered when we chose this bar was we may tow in the future and we wanted to be able to retain the factory towing capacity of the DMAX. So this enables you to still tow the 3.5 ton that the DMAX can tow, and you can also have your 350 kilo ball weight as well. Now, a couple of other handy features as well. On top of the extreme duty reinforced crossbar, you've got two mounting plates where you can put your trailer plugs, Anderson plugs, whatever you like. There's plenty of space. So if you are towing and you want to be able to run your Anderson, your Solar, whatever, you've got plenty of space to mount those up as well. G'day guys, Future Matt here. I was just editing this video together and I realized I totally forgot to mention that all TAG tow bars are designed and made right here in Australia out of their Brisbane factory. So this was a huge part of us deciding to go with this brand, as we love to support Aussie jobs and manufacturing wherever we can, especially when the quality of the product is as good as what this is. All right, back to the video. So that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. We're really loving this bar. We really like how it looks. We really like how it's been performing. And yeah, we wouldn't be able to go back to one of those funny looking factory bars, to be completely honest. We love this thing. So hope this was helpful. Let us know below in the comments if you have any questions. We'll do our best to help out. If you're hitting the tracks this weekend, get out there and have fun. And otherwise, we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.